Ashanti region a hotspot. Especially the two major political parties. Omna the most. Na unim Sejon many aje omo kampa. NPP nye surprise but I think say political party many aje omo ahokeka NDC. And I'm going to explain to you why. So the way NDC omo campaign is say na a chess so many abre power Ashanti region. Now first now ome fan so na Ashanti region Ukraine a stronghold kakra bi eye. So yami ani those place a stronghold but the tin uko voter region population in sheda no. It voter region NDC between 90% still are no lose elections national. Say onya 28% to Ashanti region or ye win elections. And NDC up 30%. And Oma Hoke can also ask any. Honestly, to be very honest with you, over the weekend, I think it's a Friday, no. Na menam Santasi runabout. Now even before Santasi runabout, me who omo other places are. Sisi omo te youth negu amonten so. Ena omo yo omo campaign to say SU and as a student union and as a bia a scripture union for bia omo preachy. So normally ana wo so mukuta placards now those days kwani be fair ni mu ha omo take placard omo di abonten repent God is coming and all of that
Kodeo for almost so the report biaba.
Okay.
Said they working omo kire hawa approach
yes
political parties
yes
and specifically on between NPP and NDC. Other political parties say but share the influence.
No, omona the most.
Omona the most.
It's share NDC. Now that is what they are doing now. It is if you want to understand the policies NDC person or the bar, baby abudrubiano placards no wo ho o matrotro makruchi wo so kama omo nkasa igina ho etudru a woni boss wa onim de omoka a very good approach. A say 30% a year share almost share was sentimentum han omani abre and omitimi achieve with this particular approach. Say John me bo nana kwesi abaso. Share the Ashanti regional chairman of the NDC or a very very strategist. Na who probably dangerous politician no. Who say no TD Mekano. We dangerous politician because if you underrate him, you do so at your own peril. In terms of strategy, he's good. Obia 2016 in the Ashanti region, Obefa party no. Now omu vote share 2016 nominal figures was around 400 and something. Percentage share near around 23 or so. Obeye regional chairman within that time in 2020 Otumi moving from a little over 400,000 to over 600,000. We in the ton China NDC vote share in the Ashanti region jumped from 23%, and you see men kasana kwesi nkwa na ye but as the head on never down because say John say head you may be a Akoma FM say enema nkuya station manager na be bonity so ana me boa inti on that score and I may bona basosa on any team members from 23% to 26%. Nominal figures from a little over 400,000 to over 600,000. It is such a person Sakacho say between 2020 and 2024 or say movie from percentage share of 26% to 30%. Can you underrate him? And Osha the way all your nyina so Ashanti regional. Okay, the guy is working. The guy is working. So on the part of the NPP. Yes. Yes. So it is say omo ohwe the manifesto of the NDC. Senior omo achichem sector by sector. Ade omo pese omo ye no. Ni nyina omo de agu plaka so. Etuduru ho a edwan ni hwe. Sabi unima kenkan kwa dia. And I think there are other guys are almost so udru ho they also try to explain to you the almost so and you see I love this because we they attend be anymore. We are
24-hour economy.
My more
we are
this. There's
a trustworthy, honest and reliable. Okay.
My more
nti udru na ntiasia
it was a pay assembly members and so these are the message, the game changer. These are the messenger. Yes, no did attempt.
Yeah,
no innuendos.
24-hour economy is a game changer.
So Sejon who you say your democracy on the part of the NPP. For instance, quite so over the weekend, quite so constituency. Me who say station hono so yeah, on my home so much so me be almost say what is happening because already this is the who are now almost campaign activists, campaigners, street campaign about who catch me say woman who say quite so constituency hono station hono and this is tell we nipa.
Okay.
Nti almost have a boho say the message of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia one more turn wo na eno so etimi aden ewura nkrofu team na ometimi aden adane niema ewo ho say John and so there was no edidi attempt.
Yeah,
it is all about policies, issues and issues. It is a John maybe say the strategy of the NDC and that of the NPP yemo mabaso
maybe say Beluchi beboy with Kodeo omo observation.
That is exactly what we want.
Kodeo I say so far omo say campaign no aye very very peaceful.
Oh yes.
Na omo ye so let's go through Beluchi my Kodeo omo statement no me buy no. I must say political campaign at the constituency level. Now we share figure 1 now as campaign activities observed during the reporting period. And this is it. Osha, you could see that campaign activities by NPP and the year blue no.
Okay.
And NDC the year green. And the independent candidates in your can in Abu Mine Bako.
Okay. Ash.
You get it? Until this is it. Now Osha, our first one, the house to house campaign. What they are saying is that the NPP is doing house to house campaigning more.
Yeah.
And but I see the NDC to also doing it actively.
No crave akope. NDC for the chance here.
Okay, so
house to house. I
am sure. Sir,
yes. House to, yes.
Second one never boy because second one is meeting.
Yes. You can house to house. NDC in a share house to house. Okay. That was in 2008. The man Professor John Evans at Tamils. A boy ne permanent winning elections no. Also be kaya tamwa omokoto election omoko by elections no. Kuma by elections no. When the NPP were holding rally na NDC refuse house to house from one house to the other. In fact, they know say the likes of Ukujetwa Blackwa, the other executive, Omunina and Omuchiche into zones.
Okay, so this is it.
Yeah.
The meetings Ankasano. A meeting here. Ebi abakona ya fremona ye ni mosia ewo duabiase na mudi nkomo. And only say no, they are saying that NDC is doing better with 70% against the NPP, and also the year 65%. That is according to Kodeo. And a campaign rally, they are saying that within the period, NDC is leading with 44% against 42% NPP. Party match. And we are here. Party match near here.
I'm say any procession.
Okay.
more of
more walk and it's animal. They are saying that and we say o share a year that chat here that your Facebook page. I was about to join here.
Yeah.
A year 25 for the NPP against 20 for the NDC. Other political parties in the also be 9%, 10% in asifo. And this is it. I don't know maka once now. Maka policies parties in there can once and I know the next slide. But wait my boy with that. The next slide no. And no Eddie no. Yeah, share. Okay, so I know I say focus of political parties campaign messages. Policy issues. First one, education. NPP, 88%. That's in issues are campaign no more.
Campaign, yeah. Well,
education.
Are you surprised? The free senior high school certainly they will champion that.
And so education, 88%.
Yeah.
Against the NDC 77%.
Yes.
But even that
it means
that NDC is still now education.
Yes, push
okay, good. Unemployment. NPP at the 68%. Against the NDC 78%.
Are you surprised?
Obvious.
The opposition party certainly they also capitalize on that.
Yes. Economy. NDC is leading 80% against
absolutely
the NPP are also at the 63%
because NPP also defend it.
Yes,
I will say NDC also a bogumu more.
Now we share other political parties now. 19% education, 22% unemployment, economy 22%.
Let's say only be say you catch it. Let's say more policies on those in those sectors a week.
Yes.
In terms of promotion and all of that.
Yes, so Oman Kasano. Almost strength in our family. Obvious. Food agriculture. That is what Kode for terminal. Food agriculture. NPP is doing 60%.
And NDC, yes.
And NDC 47%.
I'm surprised. Because I was saying also NDC at me a year because one area betimi aka ho asem yi pa because one planting for food and jobs a subsidy and subsidy area NDC betimi aka ho asem yi one village, is it one dam one village, one village one dam ho asem to say
it's another policy for
food and jobs
for meat and export.
Yes, what o say John dey me kan ni say o be kai say Friday me kan say mi kire o say campaign won baby a wobedru bia no any campaign o say wo ye say if you find yourself in a dumu a campaign o say wo ye wo adum yes, you wouldn't want to talk about much more about education. Adum ni oten store no ade a wo dwene ho at that time tax, ade a wo dwene ho that time import, ade a wo dwene ho that time no exchange rate. It will do a system na wasa woka woko Swami magazine industrial cluster spare parts dealer na wo ho no. He's not thinking about education, he's not thinking about agriculture. Ade a wo dwene ho import duty, ade a wo dwene ho spare parts, ade a wo dwene ho exchange rate. It no so no what target no. Nemo say wo bowura kwada so constituency na so nam kwada so area obetimi aka education asem obetimi aka enema ye ton wo say bia mema mabunu adwuma ye asem uko bowura region krom bosome frɛ ho a friend say ma fa wo krom kura anye sabro no mu farmers na eden edoso so farmers na eden edoso ho eti onu bowura ho a wo ka ku adwuma asem. Of course odi adwuma kakra so be den ebewura mu ho so afi obewura mu wo bosome frɛ ho a eno so se bia mining small scale mining ni nema no eno so o ka ho asem eti baby a obewura bia any campaign also ye den wo ye but so to frade a
my on the policies water health sanitation NPP is leading with 58% against NDC 54%.
Yes, when we
share the strength, how party no
can was no say you see who say I mean we share our policies and also manifesto book no I think say men kind but share the mention bia
crime and security. NDC is doing well in terms of almost policies as how they are trying to convince Ghanaians on crime and security.
Okay.
We 37% against 33% NPP. Corruption. NDC is doing more.
Okay.
On corruption.
Yes.
62%.
Obeka.
NPP are silent on corruption 25%.
Hey.
This is according to Kodeo. But surprisingly, one thing Ama Evans, minim so bekaya. Ade Emma waha in Kodeo omo reporti. Na ye hwese kebenya ahen ne na di nkrobatem so I busy kakra. Ade ba ko a emese waha. I mean, Mami, he's with you.
Would you was a puzzle, my
pa? Ade ba ko amaha.
Say John, would you?
A bear mama.
Energy, Anna.
Energy
fuel.
Fuel.
Hey. Exchange rate.
And yet exchange rate. Sending now economy. And then now economy.
Many of the way no. Would you
Galamsey?
Hey. Obi anka hwasem
ti baby on say nanka ayi boy ahen be boy but also drive
no kro we say be yentra ha nye ostriches
yeah
obi ni ebi a one day kura bitimi be politician active politician bitimi be active politician be a partisan politics onim Galamsey na the way a Ghana for yeto yaba no wuntimi mblemu NPP mblemu NDC. The reason being this, I am very sensitive in terms of communication, especially over so winning votes, because NPP feel say 2020, in fact from 2017 to 2020, almost many break a year illegal miners use so, and as a small scale miners almost ban here for over a year or close to a year. Omanye Jumani ne manie ma hon sensen bebre no affect omo in the 2020 elections. 2024 omo be so mo break 8. You say apasoa ye di yi aboaben kokosechi anasa aboaben ne di yi na ne ti ho amfu da no. Say afeso na se pija ne ewie mu nyina ye den edwane.
Takramo nyina no ma
obi edwane. So,
okay.
As a political strategist, when person win elections, won't find a way around it. It's a bad day. I'm a MPP. Say Obeba out of a say me bani Galamsey at this time. In the same vein, a bad day say and this be babo on Tabeka say me bani Galamsey. Name of the ombe say, oh. We will find an alternative means enye se bia ye bane na emomu no mo ba ma dwuma no na ensuo ne eye mfu de mo nse no and we share the two major political parties they are dancing around it. It is a ban of Galamsey say bia obete say bia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ka say ye be bane Galamsey on campaign onka say obete say eye Dr. Mamumba Omiaso akoka say me bani Galamsey wonka the two major political parties.
But you hear them mentioning it say
no
Galamsey
alternatives.
Galamsey the nya dey so
yes no tede omoma the make can say omoma alternatives such as say omoma alternatives say okay this is what we're going to do but say bia omeka no say emphatics ye be ban ne dey bi.
All right, so that is correct.
Omoma alternatives say instead say mo be ni say no ye ban hye di bebu akwan mu ni say ne be ya mo ban madwuma na momo no ensuo ene what do you call it infuye de mo nse no. So these are the alternatives it's America say they will dance around it but say ne maybe atwa mu no omo debi
I want them to come with right but your phone that is star 439
hope elections are winning.